In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery on your Toyota Corolla. It's located under the hood on the driver's side. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove our negative battery terminal. Just loosen up that nut. Pull it off. Set it aside, make sure it's not touching anything metal. Sometimes I like to wrap it with a rag, and that just makes sure that you don't touch anything with it, so you can safely take off this side. Now we're going to flip this up to get to our positive. It's a 10mm socket, and we're going to loosen up this positive. To remove the whole cover, you're going to push in on this, and it should pop off. You're going to come over here and push this bar back, and that'll unlatch it from here. Now we can pull our positive terminal up, unhook it from the back, this little clip right here, and just undo it from the battery and push it away from the battery. Get it right out of your way. I'm going to use a 12mm socket with an extension, and we're going to remove this bolt. With that comes the hold down. Set it aside. Now we're going to remove our battery. There's a little handle. You can use that and pick it up. Now we're going to install our battery. Place it down. Make sure the positive is towards the passenger side. Let's put our hold down in. It goes like this. Make sure the bolt lines up. You might have to shift the battery. Get your bolt started. Tighten it down. Let's put our positive on first. Just press it down. Make sure you latch it with this clip, and it's underneath the lip of the battery. And now let's tighten up this. Make sure you're about wrist tight. Make sure it's secured. Let's put our positive cap back on. Slide this piece into the bracket right here. And that should line everything up. And then you can put this cap back on by just pushing down. Now let's put our negative back on. I'm going to unwrap it. And we're going to put our negative battery terminal on and tighten up the nut. Make sure it's wrist tight. Make sure it's snug and it doesn't move.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.